Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you why a movie that holds a Guinness World Record can help you with your language learning. Los geht's! My name is Dustin, I'm an IT project manager from Germany. On this channel we create content that helps us to be more productive, to learn new things, especially languages, and to live a happier and more fulfilling life. Today we're going to talk about the movie Perfetti, sconosciuti, or in English, Perfect Strangers. For that, we will first have a look at what this movie is about and why it holds the Guinness World Record and why it can be super useful for us as language learners. Alright, let's dive into today's... wait. First, a nice sip of coffee, and today again, nice cappuccino. Alright, let's dive into today's topic. Perfetti, sconosciuti is an Italian comedy drama film that takes place during a seemingly ordinary dinner gathering among a group of close friends. Directed by Paolo Genovese, the movie explores the dynamics of modern friendships and the hidden truths that lie beneath the surface of our everyday lives. The film's narrative revolves around a captivating premise that tests the bonds of trust and honesty among the characters. The structure of Perfetti, sconosciuti is both unique and intriguing. As the dinner unfolds, the group decides to play a game that quickly transforms the evening into an emotional roller coaster. Each friend must place their smartphones on the table, and any message or call that arrives must be shared with everyone. This simple yet daring game unravels a series of unexpected revelations, leading to unforeseen consequences and deeply personal revelation. Now let's talk about the Guinness World Record achievement of Perfetti, sconosciuti. This film holds the record for having the most remakes in different languages. Its compelling storyline and universal themes have resonated with audiences worldwide, leading to adaptations in multiple languages and cultural contexts. So far there are 24 versions, and the 25th, when in Danish, is also expected for somewhere in 2023. Interestingly, there's no English version, only the other ones with subtitles. Reason has been that the rights were bought by the Weinstein company that went bankrupt. Now the rights are with the Spyglass Entertainment Group, and there are rumors that they will do something in future with the rights. Even parts of the cast seem to be already chosen, like Charlize Theron. The reason that there have been so many adaptations are that it's relatively easy to be produced because it doesn't require a huge budget and can be turned in one location. This also has led to adaptations in theater. Combined with the huge success of the Italian original, it was or is basically a no-brainer to also produce it in different languages for other markets. First of all, in order to assimilate a language, we need to consume massive amounts of comprehensible and compelling inputs. So comprehensible that we are able to understand it, and compelling that it's interesting to us. That's what I say in almost every video I make, but it's true. And in order to become comprehensible for us, it can be super useful to rewatch something we have already watched. After a while, this can get boring, but with the remakes of this movie, you can watch the same, but in different versions. Further, you can, of course, turn on subtitles in your native language, or even better, subtitles in the target language. Further, it provides natural conversations, accents, and expressions. I like it more to watch originals in the target language instead of dubbed stuff. Of course, it's also great to watch Harry Potter, for example, for the 100th time in a different language, but, well, you know what I mean, right? Movies are windows to different cultures, and Perfetti, sconosciuti, as well as the adaptations, are no exceptions. Through its portrayal of modern Italian society and friendships, we gain insights into Italian customs, values, and social dynamics. Moreover, the film subtly highlights the universal themes of trust, honesty, and the complexities of human relationships, making it relatable to viewers from various cultural backgrounds. Interestingly, if you explore the remakes of Perfetti, sconosciuti, you may notice subtle differences between each version. Cultural nuances and societal norms may be adapted to suit the specific audience. Comparing these variations can give us a fascinating glimpse into how storytelling and themes resonate across different cultures. I've read, for example, an article where someone compares the Korean with the Italian version, so the original. And there are quite some interesting differences, like in the Italian version a character's kink is not to wear pennies, while in the Korean version the king is wearing colorful pennies. The article speculates that this change might be due to cultural differences and the need to cater to the preferences of Korean audiences. The Korean adaptation adds more tension by emphasizing wealth and status as a subject of drama. Scenes depicting opulent homes, housewarming gifts, and financial losses contribute to the Korean cultural context, which values wealth as social status and an extension of self and family. This aspect is less prominent in the Italian version due to lower power distance in Italian society, where wealth and status have a lesser role in relationships and communication than the cultural ethic of family fidelity. The final scene in the Korean film shows a universe where secrets are kept, implying that this reality is preferred over the chaos of a universe where private lives become public. This ending reflects the Confucian ethic of family fidelity, highlighting the importance of maintaining harmony and preserving honor within the family unit. This makes me even more want to learn Korean, to be honest. Such an interesting culture and beautiful language. I really need more time. There it can get a bit tricky, so definitely have a look at the usual streaming providers like Netflix or Amazon, for example. Interestingly, I can only find in my German Netflix the French version of this movie, or at Amazon the German and the Italian original. I guess via VPN you might find different versions as well. A VPN lets you connect via a proxy server from different parts of the world to the internet, which means you'll get shown different content adapted to the region you have chosen. I can make a different video about that if that's interesting to you. Other than that, I would suggest that you make sure to always search for the original name of the language you want to watch it in. You can find a full list on the Wikipedia page that I've also put into the description of this video. In the world of language learning, movie remakes like Perfetti, Sconosciuti or Perfect Strangers stand out as valuable tools. They offer unique perspectives on culture and provide immersive language practice. Similarly, popular series like The Office, for example, have seen multiple adaptations, proving that remakes can be super useful for us seeking engaging content in our target language. If you want to know more about comprehensible and compelling input, I've also made this video here. Or if you want to know how to learn with Netflix, I've also already made a video about that and I will link it there. Also, if you found the video useful, please leave me a like and a subscription to the channel, and to not miss anything going forward, click on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time.